morning. It's Thursday, the 30th of April. Tomorrow's May. You have. It is now 20 past 10. Jackson, what have you already done with Dada?
Done what?
You have done some work, haven't you? Me and Chris went for a run this morning, a bit later than normal. And we've tidied up upstairs. You've made your beds.
Yeah.
Jackson, can you show your outfit? Can you stand up? He got himself dressed today. And I think...
I'll wear the jumper, right? And take it off.
That is...
Because it keeps getting over!
It's a very cool outfit. And Florrie is just coming back in from outside. She has been playing in the rain. This one woke up at like 8:30, so you're not ready for your nap just yet, are you? Although you do seem a bit tired. Yes, you do. Look at that smile. So we're just going to do some work now, aren't we?
Yeah, and I'm just looking at this.
Right, let's go. It's lunchtime and look at this epic salad. It's got asparagus. We had leftover asparagus. It's got some bacon, walnuts, blue cheese. I fried up some onions, and me and Chris shared a piece of toast, like what they call croutons, like a piece of toast, piece of bread, whatever it's called. It's a mixture of a few whatever we had left in the cupboard, but it looks pretty amazing. Look who's woken up. That's fine. Florrie is still going through her lunch. What time is it now? It's 1 o'clock, Florrie.
I didn't move my lunch.
I moved it just slightly away from Elliot.
Why?
Your dress is so pretty today, Florrie. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good girl.
Okay.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Wait a second. So pretty, isn't it?
I'm stand up. I'm stand up.
Come on then, stand up. Move back. So pretty. Jackson did really well on all of his phonics, didn't you, buddy?
Yes.
And on his maths. So we have had a chill out time. The kids have been so cute. They like cuddled up on the sofa. Jackson's just getting you yours. And they cuddled up on the sofa and watched some iPad, which was totally cute. And you even joined in. Whoa. And I have just been reading. I've just started reading. I borrowed Jackson's bookmark. Mine's upstairs. The Flat Share. I'm only a couple of chapters in, but it seems really good. So I thought I'd read that as the kids were all playing nicely. Do you want an orange? Well, you definitely can't go outside. Is that where you want to go?
Very
Is that where you want to go outside? It's all rainy. So we're going to make the thing this week and last week for homeschooling. I'll get you it. Was Three Little Bears, and then one of your teachers, show them, did a Lou Roll Bear. So we painted them yesterday, and now we're going to turn them into bears, aren't we? Here's our finished bears. They look good, guys.
Yeah.
And now we've got Play-Doh out, haven't we? What new colour did you get?
Blue.
It's a turquoise, actually. That's called turquoise. Florrie, what colour's this?
Orange.
Orange, you picked the orange one. All the rest of our Play-Doh is very mixed up and it was getting a bit old, wasn't it? We're still using it. Florrie's going to get it out there. Chris has finished for the day. Florrie, you go sit down the other side. No.
Till this evening.
Yeah, till this evening. Yeah. But we are now going to play...
I'm going to do it first because I know this game.
Do you? We're going to play Frustration, the Toy Story version, aren't we?
First,
I love this game.
Mine, this one, and this one, this Yours mine. Yours mine.
Oh, is that how we play it?
No.
I think someone's going to have to help.
Team. You got one team.
Yeah. I think someone is going to have to help Florrie because she's going to struggle a little bit with the counting and
No,
stuff.
I'm having yellow.
But and apparently at the moment, Chris and I aren't playing because they're taking all the colours. Right, should we play?
I want to get 6. 1, 2.
You. Right, go on then, Florrie Lou, your turn.
I'm getting way.
Can you push it?
Push, 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 push.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, whoa! You're the yellow.
This one?
We've lost a player.
1, 2.
Okay, you can play that.
3, 4, 5.
4? Where? Cheeky monkey.
6!
Oh, Dad got
1, 2,
6.
3, 4. Hang on, that's not the wrong. That's the right one. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1.
Good girl, Florrie. You did them all. Yeah.
What?
Sorry, Jackson.
No! Oh my goodness, I can get loose.
You keep getting loose. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You meant you keep getting eaten. 1.
Oh, you keep losing.
Yeah.
Where my head?
I think Mama's going to win this game.
1.
Look all the puzzles me and Florrie have done. We're missing one piece though, annoyingly. Whoa. You were very good at that, weren't you?
Yeah.
It is a lot later now. We've had dinner, baths, even gave Florrie a little haircut. Florrie, can I see your hair? Oh, look. I literally just trimmed the ends off.
Let's go.
Because, like, a tiny bit. Not even at the front because I'm too worried. But it was so knotty, wasn't it? It's been a while since we had a... Elliot's just beating up Chris. It does, doesn't it? It is Thursday. So what does Thursday mean? Movie night. And we do movie night on every Thursday because at 8 o'clock it's the clap. Whoa, did you just headbutt the dogs? You can say hello. So we do movie night.
Hello.
Movie night on a Thursday so that we can get them to stay up. Is that funny? Do you want to show your walking? I don't think I've got much of you in this today. Oh no, you're getting tired.
Camera.
Elliot's not staying up. Where are you going? Elliot's not staying up for the clap.
Elliot.
Your belly's hanging out.
Oh.
He's just like, just give me my milk. I have just batch cooked some carrot soup, just some bits to stick in the freezer and for tomorrow. But we have just got our pots and pans ready to go outside and do the clap. Shh, Florrie, let me see your shoes. Cool, look, Jackson. Pick it up. Wait until we say. You look like.
You're gonna wave the pick on the end.
Gonna wave.